Welcome back, everybody, in the KHU Weather Center. Dr. Frank is here.
Yeah,
So,
we're here this evening.
I'm glad you're here. So we're getting this devastating storm where the center's making landfall at Rockport.
Right.
But here we are in Houston with another one of these tropical storm flood threats, and we've had several of these over the past decades. Nothing new, right?
Absolutely, no question about it. Every once in a while, we're going to get one of these heavy rain situations. Doesn't have to be a tropical storm. Okay. We've had some rain situations that were not. But you can go back to Claudette, 1979, 45 inches down at Alvin. We had Allison in 2001, 35 inches to the northeast of downtown. And so it's not unusual with a tropical system, if it stalls, to get heavy rains. And that's what we think is going to happen with this one.
And also with this one, you know, the center is 200 plus miles away from us, but yet we still have this flood threat.
Well, that's true, but the flood threat is going to come as we think the center is going to stall, maybe move a little closer to it, and just keep generating these rain bands coming off the water.
You know, so far, so good tonight.
Absolutely.
I mean, and hopefully we can keep spreading this out and not get too much. Now, you've heard reports of a building collapse in Rockport. This is where the eye of this, what is going to be an historic hurricane, because we haven't had a Cat 4 like this Texas coast since Carla.
That's right, Carla in 1961. And Carla made landfall a little bit to the further north. I think the eye went right across Matagorda Bay.
Carla was the one, it was a Cat 4.
It was a Cat 4.
It was the one that Dan Rather made him and hurricane forecasting famous because you guys broke new ground with that one.
No question about it. He put a radar on the air for the first time, showing a hurricane as it was tracking to the coast.
And now we have images like this from outer space. Doc, thank you for being here this evening. I really appreciate your expertise. Guys, back to you.
All right, thank you, gentlemen. Every time Doc shows up, you know trouble. There is trouble. All right, just ahead.